The exciting world of graphic art and printing is a huge money spinner, as it expands across a wide spectrum of needs and wants in the marketing industry, which is why color management is of utmost importance and cannot be stressed enough. Are you printing the exact colors that you are intending to print? The only way to know and to make sure that you are is by using ICC Profiles. What are ICC Profiles? ICC stands for International Colour Consortium Profiles, and these are used to standardize colors across devices. This helps ensure that an image will be consistent between what you see on your screen and your printed media. ICC Profiles are used with special software to create accurate prints. They account for the differences between the devices, mediums, and inks to adjust how the image is printed, creating a true-to-color print, ensuring the correct color space within the color gamut range in order to achieve the right color representation consistently. And a Spectra photometer is the instrument that is used to measure each and every tone of color during the profiling process. Now, this is a very expensive tool, and not everyone can get their hands on one that easily. And that is why AM.CO.za now offers a complete color profiling service, making use of extremely accurate Spectra photometers and technical staff that have undergone specialized training in color profiling. So, if you are in need with assistance with your color profiling, don't hesitate to contact us. We'll make it happen for you. Call sales for more information.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. am.co.za. Achievement matters.